Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to be doing a Quizlet 101 video where I give some tips on how to make a Quizlet. To create a study set, click this blue button and select Study Set. If you're interested in folders, you can check out my video on organizing Quizlets. So everything I'm about to show you is with the regular Quizlet account, but if you're interested in Quizlet Plus, you do get some great features such as adding audio and colors and more, but this is just for basic. So just for this example, I'm going to do a Spanish vocabulary Quizlet. Here is where you can edit if you want something to be editable by just you or allow other people to edit the Quizlet, or if you want something to be visible to just you or also allow other people to view the Quizlet. And to do that, you would select just me or people with a password and allow you to select a password, and that is how people can access the Quizlet. Additionally, you can add descriptions. So let's just say I put Spanish 1. Now, if you scroll down a bit, this is where you'll be able to make your Quizlet. You need at least 3 Quizlet terms in order to make a Quizlet. So for my first term, I'm just going to do hi, and that translates to hola in Spanish. If you want to, you can add images. And let's say there's no images for hi, or you just don't like any of the images. You can actually change the search term. So let's say I put this image right here. So see, this actually goes under greeting, but I'm still able to put it under the hi term. Additionally, you can change the language right here. This also works for math symbols, so I'm just going to choose Spanish. So I just went ahead and added 3 terms, so I'm able to make my Quizlet, but I do want to add that these features right here, such as audio, color, and underlining, are all available with the Quizlet Premium. Now I'm going to create my Quizlet. And there you go, we have my 3-term vocabulary Quizlet. You can share it by clicking this share button, and it'll give you a link, or you can add it to a folder here, and this one allows you to edit it again. One thing I want to point out is that you can edit your terms by clicking this pencil icon right here, and it'll allow you just to edit it right here. So what if I want to do an exclamation point? Save, and now there you see it. You can also do this while you're doing the flashcards. So I can just click this button right here and change it. Hope this helped.